All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again. You make them again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Kim and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm starting off with the neatly washed but dry hair. I washed my hair yesterday night and I slept over, so this is how it looks like in the morning. So let's just get started. What I'm doing is optional by putting a towel around my neck. I just do that so that the water wouldn't get into my dress. So you can just sprinkle the water on your hair to make it soft, or if you've already washed it, then it's already down. You don't. It's a leave-in conditioner and detangle spray. It's very good for my hair particular, that's why I'm using it. Or if you have any conditioner, contour or any conditioner, you can also use that. So right now I will just section the hair to 3 parts and then I'll start braiding. So as you can see, I've already parted my hair into the sections that I want. You can go back if you see that the line is not that straight and correct it. As you can see, I just parted my hair into 4 sections now, and right now I'm about to start dealing with the hair. You can use any gel that you have or any gel that you want, but this is the gel that I have, and that's what I So this is how my back looks like. The hair that I will use is this. So I will do my makeup and get right back to you.